we were talking about having difficult conversations with ourselves about how important we have to give emphasis to reflecting, being aware, being willing to, oh, I don't know, look at ourselves in the mirror. Wow, wouldn't it be great if all of our relationships were just really easy and everything happened smoothly and everything that we wanted to happen would happen and nothing that we didn't want to happen wouldn't happen? Well, that sounds great, but it also wouldn't, not only would it not be reality, but it wouldn't allow us to grow. It wouldn't allow us to find situations that will actually make us better. Conflict and discomfort actually makes us better. Working with difficult conversations is just like working with muscles. In order to get better at what you do and get better for yourself and better at life and better at work, you have to get uncomfortable. You have to push muscles to the point of a little bit of a failure. You have to stretch beyond what you're comfortable with. Otherwise, you won't grow. In order to have difficult conversations, we have to prep ourselves for it. Where we get in trouble and why difficult conversations, especially in the workplace, and frankly, especially in personal lives, go wrong, is that we hit a point of such frustration that we lash out, or we speak quickly, or we let everything out at once when really we've just let a lot of things build up. Step number one is, in the preparation of having a difficult discussion, is to literally write down what the problem is as objectively as possible. Now you might say, well, Michael, I just did that. I just wrote down Sally's the problem because she doesn't deliver on time. So that might be the answer. But the key here is to be as objective as possible. Sally does not complete work on time. Therefore, I don't get the work that I need to finish on time. And the real problem for me is that I'm the one that has to answer to our boss. So the problem is Sally's not delivering, so I can't deliver. But for me, the real kicker is I'm the one who has to say to my boss, I don't have it done. I don't like that. So this first part of the problem solving and difficult conversation having process should be a little bit therapeutic and a little bit eye-opening. Why? Because you're starting to look at things from a more of an objective standpoint, but it's not easy. This kind of preparation, however, is what makes the potential successful outcome and an unsuccessful outcome, which comes to step number 2 in the process, is for you to identify what you would believe would be the most desired outcome of a difficult conversation.